Are you looking for a guaranteed way to make money online completely for free without paying for any traffic? Because in today's video, with all the steps that I'm going to show you, you are guaranteed to get traction, conversions, leads, traffic, and sales online. I have tested and tried this out myself, so I'm now going to give you all my tips, secrets, and tricks that I've been using to make this kind of money online every single day to help you get started to earn sufficient money online. So I really suggest pay attention and watch this video until the end if you don't want to miss anything crucial in order to succeed at this and make a substantial amount of money online. So make sure to watch this entire video step by step, and if you watch this video until the end and take action with this, you are guaranteed to get all this traffic, clicks, and commissions like this, where I've been earning $425, $170, $85, $255, $135, $455, and all of this over here you can see is paying directly to my PayPal account, which is a total of $8,318.10 accumulated this month so far. And on this video you can start to make as much as this, just like I've been making with my guidance and with all the steps that I'm going to show you. I'm really pushing myself to set the goal of getting my first $10,000 with this specific business that I've created, so make sure to keep watching on this channel and subscribe down below with the bell on, as I will update my progress with this in time. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so I can get this to an extra $1,700 a month, which I'm sure I will do. But if you want to see that progress and all sorts of other ways that I'm making money online that I'm documenting on my channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can notify you every time I upload the most epic way to make money online. Also, leave a like down below. I really appreciate it when you guys leave comments and likes and positivity on this channel, as it really pumps me up to make epic videos for you guys. Comment down below if you have any questions or if you want a specific topic idea from me, and you're welcome to message me on Instagram below. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to talk to me personally. And don't forget, at the end of every video I'm going to announce the winner of the Drop Servicing University giveaway. But in today's video I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take the Drop Servicing University all the way down to just $29 from $397. So if you want to go and get the Drop Servicing University for just $29, you can enter this coupon on the screen over here on the first link in the description. You'll be able to sign up over there, enter the coupon on the checkout, and it'll be marked down all the way to $29. This is only valid for the next 5 or 6 hours if you're watching this video, and it's only available to the viewers on this video currently, as this coupon is being promoted nowhere else. So well done to you if you've clicked on today's video. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to hop straight into my PC. And the first step is we're going to come over to this website over here called a2hosting.com, which is a internet and VPS hosting website. So people all over the world, bloggers, photographers, entrepreneurs, people with personal brands want to create websites for them all the time. And obviously in order to create a website, you need hosting. Now I'm going to show you on this video how you can use a hosting platform like this to make money online, like I've scaled to over $8,000 this month so far. And the best part is it's so simple. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. After you watch this video, you're going to be mind blown and actually see how easy it is to put everything together. It's just a matter of watching the next step that I'm going to show you in order to actually put this together and make money with this. So when you come over to A2 Hosting, all you want to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom over here. You will see on the right under the companies tab, there is a section called Affiliate Program. Just right click, open this in a new tab, and over here you can sign up directly for the A2 Hosting affiliate program. And take a look at this, guys. It is so easy to sell a high-speed hosting to your audience. You can earn up to $125 for every new customer you send our way through your affiliate link. They paid over $500,000 to their top affiliate last year. Take a look at this. For your first 10 sales, you're going to get $55 a sale. Your 15 sales, you're going to earn $75. And when you hit your 21st sale, every sale thereafter, you're going to be getting $125 per sale that you make. And the best part is this applies to anybody in the world. No matter where you are, you can hop onto this A2 Hosting affiliate program, utilize it in the way that I'm going to show you to maximize your earnings just like this. But just quickly, before we go and sign up on this affiliate program, we need to actually go and find another alternative hosting program where we can actually go and verse the two. So over here, I'm going to use Bluehost.com, which is a great alternative to A2hosting.com. If you have a look over here on the right, there is an affiliates tab. You want to click on the Bluehost affiliates tab as well. So you want to make sure you've got the A2 Hosting affiliate program open and the Bluehost affiliate program open over here. And take a look at this. Every single person that you refer to Bluehost, you'll be getting $65 for every Bluehost purchase through your affiliate link, which is a lot of money. money. 10 sales is over $650 in your pocket cash. And why these affiliate programs convert so well is because if these affiliate programs are targeted at the right audience, so many people, hundreds to thousands of people, are looking for hosting every single day to create new websites, to send out emails, to create their own domains, etc. As companies want their own personal brand, even personal people, photographers, you name it, want blogs and websites every single day. But in order to have that, you need a hosting service. Now what you want to do is that you've got two of the affiliate programs open. You can use Bluehost and A2 Hosting. If you want to use the same example I'm using over here, you can actually see some of my payout history over here from Bluehost, which has been anywhere between $390, $260, $195, $195, $130, $455. So anywhere between $100 and $400 a day on average with the Bluehost affiliate program. I will reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshots or anything like that. And you can actually see over here, it's refreshed. It pays out directly to my PayPal account. So the payments are pretty much instant every single week. These total sums accumulate and it pays out every week. Now what you want to go and do is you want to come over to Google and you want to search your hosting website that you're an affiliate for. So let's go Bluehost and just put the versus icon over here and take a look at this. You actually maybe want to screenshot all of these or save all of these suggestions by Google over here to a notepad. You've got Bluehost versus SiteGround versus HostGator, DreamHost, Hostinger, WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Namecheap. But the specific one we are going to use, since we're using Bluehost and A2 Hosting, we want to go and search over here Bluehost versus A2 Hosting and just click on enter on Google over here, and you want to go and choose any one of these websites. Let's go and take a look at isitwp.com. So we can open this website up in a new tab, and over here you can see they give a basic review the versus competition versus Bluehost versus A2 Hosting. I'm actually going to use this website over here called webhostingsecretsrevealed.net. I just like the layout of this website, more easier to read all the information. So this is a perfect website that I want you to save in a tab in the meantime. Now it's super important that you keep watching to understand how all of this is going to be put together in order to maximize your commissions with this, as we are actually going to be making money off both affiliate programs at the same time, which is actually pretty awesome and really unique that a lot of affiliate marketers on YouTube don't really talk about. And remember guys, the ultimate way to save ideas for this is, again, come over to Google and just type in versus and just take a look at all the drop downs offered by Google. You've got GoDaddy, SiteGround. You can also go and do, for example, Builderall versus you can see GrooveFunnels, WordPress, Kajabi, Systeme.io, MailChimp, Kartra, ClickFunnels, etc. So all of these ideas for different people looking for hosting or website building pages. But again, since the example I'm using is A2 Hosting and Builderall over here, this is going to lead us to the next step. We want to come over to a website called blogger.com, which is a website where we can go and create our own article. Now, we're not just going to go and post the article and hope people click on it. There's a little bit more to this. So it's super important that you watch the second step on creating our own article, because this is where the magic is going to happen, and this will determine whether you fail or succeed at this. So on blogger.com, click on sign in or create your own blog in the middle of the page over here. Now over here, I just want to show you can actually choose from tons of perfect designs for your article to look super professional and convert. And over here, you can get a completely free domain as well, which is super handy to have, as you can actually share this domain with anybody and you don't need to go and buy your own custom domain, and you can actually get paid for all your hard work. So Google AdSense can also automatically display relevant targeted ads on your blog. So what's great about blogger.com, if they want to, they can monetize your blog through Google AdSense. So now you're making 3 streams of revenue through Bluehost, A2 Hosting, and Google AdSense at the same time. So we're going to ultimately combine all of this together to maximize our earnings. And over here, you can target your blog to anybody in the world. And over here, there are millions of people using this website every day. They're all sharing and seeing each other's blogs. So this is a great way to not only get traffic off blogger.com to our article, but also to create a bridge page using blogger.com. So over here again, click on create your blog in the middle of this page over here. And over here, starting off with the title of our blog or the name for our blog, you want to type something as simple as this: Bluehost versus A2 Hosting. Click on next over here. For your address, you can go Bluehost versus A2 Hosting.blogspot.com. Click on next once it said this is available. For your display name, you can just type your own personal name over here. Click on finish, and once this is saved, it's then going to open up your new blog post over here, where we can go and click on new post over here. You can see we've got our Bluehost versus A2 Hosting article selected, but we need to now actually go and put article on this specific article. So over here, we need to click on new post, where it will open up with a blank page where we can go and add our content. Now, all you want to go and do is you want to come over to Google and search up Bluehost versus A2 Hosting and click on enter over here. And on Google, you want to go and open up all of these websites over here. So for example, A2 Hosting versus Bluehost, A2 Hosting versus Bluehost, open up all of these in new tabs, and you want to go and take influence from all of these websites over here. In a nutshell, you want to have a description of each, the pros and cons of each, and then their price comparison. So you want to have basically comparisons between the two over here. And here you can see over here, if I open up A2 versus Bluehost over here, you can see over here, this is actually a perfect page over here, which you can go and get influence from. Same with this page over here. All you want to do is go and open up all of these websites where they are comparing against each other and just get influence. And I'm going to show you an article that I created before this video to give you an idea on how this should be created. So over here is a simple article that I created just to give you an idea of how this should work. So the first thing I did was I created my title again, Bluehost versus A2 Hosting overview, a picture of Bluehost, a basic description of Bluehost, a picture of A2 Hosting, a basic description of A2 Hosting, and then I basically did comparisons of page speed, uptime. You can see some detailed pictures of specs over here. And basically, if I scroll down some more, I've got more information on features such as guarantees, several hosting options, the kind of options, support documentation, and then the pricing comparison as well. And then a recap over here, and then my recommended winner. And what I did was, throughout this article, you can see all of this orange text over here. I filled out my Bluehost and A2 Hosting links. So all you do is you highlight the text, for example, like this. You click on the link option over here. You come back to your Bluehost or A2 Hosting article over here, and here you can see is your affiliate link over here, this https bluehost.com/track and my username. So you're just going to right click, copy that, come back to your article over here and paste your link and click on apply. And as you can see over here, now my affiliate link has been added throughout this article, and then all I did was I just made the text orange to suit the article. So all of the text throughout here, I've just been randomly adding my Bluehost and A2 Hosting affiliate links. And over here you can see, and maybe at the bottom if you want to, you can type try A2 Hosting over here or try Bluehost over here. Leave your affiliate link and people can click on through there. Once your article has then been published or created, you want to click on publish on the top right of blogger.com to make your article public. So now it will get traffic every single day on blogger.com, but we need to go and get more traffic via alternative methods. And then all you want to do is over here where you see the eye icon of your post, right click, open that in a new tab, and over here you can see your public post of your Bluehost versus A2 Hosting review over here. This is the public link on the top left in your URL bar that we're going to be using to make money with our affiliate links in this strategy. And the first thing we can go and do is we can come over to a website called medium.com, which is another article posting website. We can click on right on the top right over here and go and use our Blogger article to go and publish and write on medium.com as well. And what I love about Medium, it is partnered up with Google, so any kind of articles that you write do rank on Google, getting a lot of substantial traffic off of Google. Like you can see, you just need to sign in with your Google account over here. You can literally copy and paste or put the link of your article on medium.com. So over here you can see where you need to put your title and your story. You post that same article over here, Bluehost versus A2 Hosting. You can click on publish on the top right and that will publish live over here as well. Thirdly, you can come over to livejournal.com, which again is another article publishing website just to even get more traffic. So now we're getting traffic off of Blogger, LiveJournal, and medium.com, and there's still more to come. And all you're going to do is join for free at the top right over here. And again, you can go and post simple articles like this. This post that was posted yesterday has already got 10 comments and 3 likes. So even the newest of newest posts that are not at the top are still getting views, likes, and engagement. So this is another great website to get tons of traffic to your article. Now, what I like about blogger.com, your specific post that you've posted, it's not a direct affiliate link, so it won't get banned on any kind of website, but all your affiliate links in this article, whereas the article acts as a bridge page, makes it that your post won't get banned at all. So that's why this kind of thing works. And finally, you can come over to Quora.com and you can type here Bluehost versus A2 Hosting on Quora and go and look at what people are saying. Is A2 Hosting better than Bluehost? Which hosting company is better, A2 Hosting or Bluehost? And what you want to go and do is you can actually go and write an answer over here. You can click on answer and you can go and type, hey guys, I found this perfect comparison website explaining who's the winner between Bluehost and A2 Hosting in terms of price, performance, loading speeds, and all sorts of other specs as well. And you just want to go and recommend to people your article. And remember, Quora won't ban this post because it's not an affiliate link. So over here, again, you can go and write something like this over here, just basically giving a brief description of each. And then over here at the bottom of your text, you just want to type here This article reviews complete comparison reviews of A2 hosting versus Bluehost. Decide your winner, and I've left my link to my article over here. Once you're done, you can click on post over here, and you want to go and post your answer over here. You can also go and reply to everybody's comments as well, and just like that, you can see my answers already been posted. And what you want to do is just come back on Quora.com, and you'll see other people over here. If you do scroll throughout, you can actually go and comment on other people's opinions over here. So this person recommends Bluehost versus HostGator. You could say I prefer A2 hosting versus HostGator. So we can go and recommend Bluehost versus A2 hosting and paste your link there as well to get people to rather have a look at your article and funnel traffic to your affiliate link there. So that is now a total of 4 traffic streams coming into your article with all of your affiliate links over there. And remember, you are now getting clicks and conversions with not only your A2 hosting affiliate link, but also with Bluehost.com. So you're now making money off both of those as well. And remember, Blogger can also monetize your blogs with Google AdSense as well. So every views and clicks you get on your blog, you make money off that as well. But just to quickly announce the winner of that Drop Servicing University, this person over here is the winner of that. Well done to you. All you need to do is message me on Instagram in the link in the description, and we'll sort out your giveaway over there. Remember, in today's video, you need to enter this coupon over here on the link, first link in the description, to get the Drop Servicing University program just for $29, marked all the way down from $397. So make sure to go and claim that while it lasts. And I'm going to leave a playlist over here to help you out with more affiliate marketing content. This playlist over here is an entire free course that I've created on YouTube with my best YouTube videos that I've compiled over the last 2 to 3 years in one simple playlist, plus minus 300 videos over here to help you out with interesting, skillful, and valuable content to make money online with affiliate marketing. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.